Good morning students. Now I am going to explain you about the listening barriers. Means what are the factors which stop you to be a good listener. So the first thing is in the barrier is distraction. Means any kind of distraction, it may be external distraction or maybe internal distraction. Any kind of distraction stop you to be a good listener. So suppose you are listening something with your full concentration and suddenly a cell phone rang or a TV is open in your room. Anyone started the music nearby you. So this kind of distraction is the external distraction, and suddenly it's distract your mind towards the work, towards the activity which suddenly happened around you, like ringing of cell phone or volume of TV. These kind of things suddenly distract you. Some of the internal distraction can also stop you to be a good listener, like that you are listening to the some speaker and at the same times your mind is thinking about something else. So these can be known as internal distraction, and it can be also a barriers to be a good listener. Second point is cultural differences. Means this kind of barriers could be known as the differences between the speaker's tone, speaker's vocabulary, or speaker's voices. Means the speaker who is going to explain you, their voices may be different, their pronunciations of the words may be different, their vocabularies may be different. So again it's a factor which stop you to be a good listener. Next point is saying that selective listeners. Selective listeners means you already decided that which point you want to listen and which point you don't want to listen. So in that case again you will distracted from the speaker's points, speaker's topics, because you have already decided that the only the selected parts of the topics you have to listen and rest you don't have to listen. So in that case again it could be a barriers of the listeners. Next point is saying being judgmental. Means again you became the judgmental very early of the conversation. As soon as the conversation started you became judgmental. You already decided the result, the points, the end points of the conversation. So that also could be a barrier of the uh, effective listeners. Next point is saying defensive and assumptions. Again it's something related to the being judgmental and the selective listeners, that you already decided that the hearing from the listening from the speaker could affect your personality, could harm to your personality. So you have decided that you don't want to listen this kind of speakers. So again it's a barrier of the effective listeners. So these were the barriers of the effective listeners. So whenever if you want to be a good listeners, you want to be a effective listeners, you could avoid these points and you could think about these points, that these points like selective listeners, being judgmental, defensive, or distractions could be a barrier to be a good listeners. So you have to avoid these things. Thank you.